What's up, guys? So I got a surprise for you guys today. My wheel spacers came in. They're from Easy Accessories. 2-day shipping. Pretty simple. Just sent them the sizes and whatever width I needed. They sent it to me. Pretty cheap shipping, and here we are. So these are the wheel spacers here. So I had to do a 5x5 Chevy bolt pattern to a 5x120.7 or 6.9, whatever you want to call it. They came with the lugs. They came with nuts, and I got the tires right there. So we're about to mount them and see how they look. I still haven't gotten the tires for the front wheels, but that'll be coming up shortly. Probably this weekend. Right now the tire's too big. It's a 345. I'm looking to go stock size, so that'll be changed soon. As you can see, we have the wheel spacer on. So ignore my shitty drums. Look at that nice flip kit. But let's put on the tire and see what it looks like. Alright, so as you can see, not very hard to do. Looks pretty good. I am a little bit worried that, this side sticks out a little bit more compared to the other side, but we should be able to adjust the differential with the flip kit. It has a bunch of play, but like I said, it looks pretty good overall. Looks pretty meaty from behind. So let's take a look at the front view here. Alright, not too bad. Okay, fat tire. So we'll see if we can adjust, adjust a little bit. But like I said, the wheels are going to be 325s instead of these 345s, and they're going to be a little bit more flush. So that's where we're going to go. Oh man, would you look at that? All in all, I like the way the wheels fit. I didn't put all the lugs in. If you notice in the video, I have to go buy some for the adapters. The ones on the outside of the wheels are gonna get locks. I'm looking to see if I can get the ones with the spikes. So I'll see if I can source some, and if I can, then I'll put them on. But if not, then no worries. But we do have a small issue. The left side tire sticks out a little bit, so I'm thinking that's because the axle shifted one way. So we're gonna try and fix that when we can. Like I said, once we get the 325 tires, then should be fine, and it shouldn't be hitting the axle. I mean the leaf springs, but looks good. Looks good. Hopefully this weekend I can get some tires for the front wheels, and then I can measure up for the spacers. But stay tuned. We'll have more videos up, and subscribe and like. What up, y'all? So like I said, a lot of these videos are old videos that I had in my computer, and they were videos I recorded about 4 or 5 months ago. So some of the audio quality and some of the things that I was saying on there, a lot of times don't really make sense, but I was just getting started. But yeah, so from when I finished this video, I since have added the front wheels, the front spacers, the tires. So I got everything done on the truck. I even did like DJM lower control arms and lowering springs. So before I had like cut springs in the front. Wasn't a good idea, but it handled for a little bit. I upgraded the front like bushings and stuff, so the truck is working good. The only thing I gotta continue to do is like the steering box, because it's a little sloppy. Of course, it has like 280,000 miles. But other than that, I know people are gonna bash over the spacers and whatnot, but hey, it's just for fun. It's not a truck I'm gonna be driving at autocross or doing 180 miles per hour at a racetrack, so it should be fine. I'm not gonna cause any harm. It's not, like I said, it's just a truck for fun and just all show. It doesn't even do a burnout to begin with, so that's the funniest part. But stay tuned, subscribe, like, and share this video. If you don't mind, go ahead and look up my Instagram page. The hashtag is at the end here at the last clip. But have a good day.